In front of me is VIVO X300 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and tap on More Connections right away. Then scroll a tiny bit to choose Print and tap on gray switcher next to Print to enable printing service. Hit Agree, choose Allow, and wait for your device to find available printer. In the meantime, you can tap on Print Photos, select them and hit Done. When your device will connect, you will be able to tap on Print here. If it still doesn't, you can tap on Printer and select one. We are still waiting though. Or you can tap on Print Documents, hit Agree, tap on the chosen one and tap on Done. It will look exactly the same. But in this case, which is now available printers are not connecting, click on those two dots at the top right corner and hit Connect Printer by IP address. Then input it here and choose Connect to connect it manually. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!